What's going on, guys? This your boy Wiz, man, and I'm back with another video, and you see what I'm in. But anyway, you see me sweating though. So my homeboy just got the Rotofab put. Well, we just put it in his ZL1. I wish I could flip the camera. I don't know how people do that, but yeah. But that's the ZL1. You see him. But yeah. So right now we're about to go get a car wash because I definitely need it. You don't really need it too much, but you know how like when you first get a car, it's like gotta be clean all the time. So definitely. So we're gonna head out there. I'm gonna show you under the hood, and I should have did the process, but I'm sure y'all probably don't want to see the process again. But yeah. So we got the Rotofab put in. He excited, and his car is barely broken. I think it's at 600 miles. I don't know. I was reading one time, it said for the Camaro, it's supposed to be, I don't know, somebody said 1,200 one time. I don't know. But so yeah, we about to ride. I'm gonna get some footage for y'all, and we're gonna get it popping, man. Let's get it. For those who want to know how much it costs to fill it up from E8167, just in case y'all was wondering, that's all. Ooh, and we about to ride. Woo. And also, nothing went as planned. Obviously, as you can see, this is a whole nother day. Yeah, it didn't go as planned as far as washing my car, as far as me showing y'all under the hood of my boy car. Yeah, it didn't go as planned. I'm actually just recording this because I don't want to leave y'all just straight hanging, you know what I mean? Hey, it's been a long week for me. You know, I've been out celebrating my birthday, you know what I mean? My birthday was the 7th. You're gonna get this after the 7th, but whoo, so definitely, man, I had a good time, man. Thanks to all my friends and family that showed love, that came out, you know what I mean, to my birthday dinner, man. I appreciate it. Hey, man, I'm still here, you know what I mean? I'm just on the road, man, just working. You know what I'm saying? My baby's she's still running this, you know. She's still her being her, you know what I mean? But other than that, rims on the way still. They should be getting painted right now, the color of the car. So I don't know if that's probably the next time I'll post. I don't know, man. But you know, for the most part, I'm just out here grinding, you know, just working, man, just working, building this business and having a good time at the same time. You know, I've been off a lot, you know, and I just haven't been getting my car and doing videos with it. That's all. That's the only thing. But, you know, other than that, you know, I'm just moving and grooving, man, and, you know, enjoying life for the most part. And shoot, other than that, I'm at 8,000 miles on this car. 8,076 to be exact. The miles go fast, y'all. And I don't even drive this car like that, but the fact that I'm at 8,000 miles, I'm like, dang, I don't know how I did it, but I did it. But it is what it is, you know. I'm gonna enjoy the car, you know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. After I get my rims, I'm getting the PPF, ceramic coated, whatever. I'd rather wait until I get the rims so they can do my rims as well. I want to do it all at one time, get it out the way. I don't have to worry about it for years to come, you know what I mean? And other than that, man, shoot, I can record more, but everybody want to see the car. They don't want to really see me. So I really don't be recording like that. I could take y'all on a journey with me now, but like I said, people want to see the car, so I don't really try to force it on people. But sooner or later I might just record just to be recording, man, because the way YouTube work, you got to have that consistency. You got to have that algorithm to, you know, grow your channel. So I might start posting more. It just depends, man. Like I said, I'm just out here working, man, for the most part, building this business and enjoying the car when I can, you know, for the most part. I actually had this car for a couple of days. I could have did more content with it, honestly, but I just didn't, man. I just was chilling for the most part. But other than that, man, shoot, just about to ride, go check my mail, so, you know, that's about it. But it's your boy Wiz, man. I'm signing out. It is.